Voila. Honestly, after making that video, me building my car in 15 minutes, I really thought that was like the end of it, because like I didn't have any plans for this car. I was kind of like whatever, I wasn't gonna buy bags. But then there was this dude who was like about 2 or 3 hours away. He was selling the bags off of his car, only had like 1,500 miles on it. They're the AIRLIFT 3-piece setup. He was selling them for only $2K. Drove down there with my boy, picked them up, and boom, installed them the same day. Well, I'm lying, I didn't install them. They installed it for me, so shout out to them. I'm gonna put their Instagrams and their information here. You guys can check them out. It'll be in the description below. Look at it, it's so sick, bro. You can control it with your phone. It has Bluetooth. It's really, really, really cool. I maxed out the camber in the front. The back is as low as it can get. It actually fits a lot better than I thought, because the rear has no camber arms, and the wheels are 19 by 9.5 plus 22 squared. The tires are 235 40s, and it still fits pretty well. But I did pull the fenders, so I'm not sure how much that helped, because I'm not even sure how much I even pulled them out, because I was just using a fender roller. But look at that, super sick, man. This is how I have it set up. I have it on this like phone holder. I have the wires going down there, so when I'm driving I can kind of like just peek over and see where I'm at. I have a video on this lip, by the way, because this is for the 2014 through 2017, if you guys want to get that lip, because it fits our bumper really, really nice. Right now this is as low as I can get with the way the tires are, how the rims fit, and the camera in the front. I have camber bolts and the camber plates. I only have one compressor. I haven't really set up the back too much, but this is what it's looking like. I'm trying to figure out what to do. I'm trying to think, maybe I'll put the tank up here, but I need to get a second compressor because it's very slow. So yeah, it has 3 different presets you can set up. I have my ride height, that's in the middle. This is what my ride height looks like. This is obviously what it looks like when it's parked anywhere, when I just air out completely. And then my 3rd preset is the highest preset, which is what I drive on. I rarely drive at this height. This is only when, I mean, maybe raining, or if I have to get into a hill, but or when I'm pulling out the driveway. That's about it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I kind of want to get new wheels now, kind of get a different setup running. I want darker wheels. Anyway, if you guys have any questions, drop a comment below. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. That's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and catch you next time.